Can I survive without a job thanks to this AI trend? The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked a concerning trend: the potential for AI to displace human jobs on a massive scale. This isn't just speculation. We're already seeing it happen in various industries. The question is, what types of jobs are most at risk? Jobs in customer service, for instance, are highly susceptible to automation. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling complex queries and providing personalized support. In fact, many companies have already started to integrate AI-powered chatbots into their customer service operations, reducing the need for human agents. Data entry and bookkeeping jobs are also under threat, as AI algorithms can process and analyze vast amounts of data with incredible accuracy. Even jobs in transportation, like truck driving, are being eyed by autonomous vehicle technology. Self-driving cars and trucks could revolutionize the industry, but at what cost to human workers? The driving force behind this trend is the rapid advancement of specific AI technologies. Machine learning, for example, enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This has led to the development of highly accurate predictive models capable of analyzing vast amounts of data and making decisions faster and more accurately than humans. Methods natural language processing. Another key technology allows machines to understand and interpret human language, enabling applications like voice assistants and chatbots. Or computer vision, which enables machines to interpret and understand visual data, is also becoming increasingly sophisticated. These technologies are becoming more powerful and affordable, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. Imagine a scenario where AI continues to advance at its current pace. In the next decade, millions of jobs could be displaced, leaving a significant portion of the workforce without employment. The impact would be felt across industries from manufacturing to services. The consequences of such a shift would be far-reaching, with potential effects on the economy, social structures, and even our sense of purpose. As AI assumes more responsibilities, humans might find themselves struggling to adapt. The question is, are we prepared for this future? To summarize, the AI trends discussed, machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision have the potential to significantly impact the job market. As these technologies continue to advance, it's essential to acknowledge the challenge ahead and consider the implications for workers, businesses, and society as a whole. What are your thoughts on AI and job displacement? Share your concerns and insights in the comments below. If you're interested in staying ahead of the curve and exploring more future trends, be sure to subscribe to TECARVR for more content like this.